Yo, guys, welcome back again today. Today we're going to be talking about how Africans transported rice in their hair. The transport of food happens in many different ways, though most might not think of transporting food within one's hair. Enslaved Africans from West Africa would take grains of rice and braid these seeds into their hair. The means of survival was first on many's mind. Usually the women who would braid grains of rice into their hair were rice farmers. This method of transferring food was used from enslaved Africans took to the southern and eastern United States all the way down to Brazil. Hair is a very important part to the cultures of Afro-descent people, and hair was one of the only things they had control of. These rice grains were used in cases of lack of food on their journey to the new lands. In emergency, a handful of rice could be the difference between life and death. The grains of rice would help contribute to the rice crops which were cultivated in the Americas. This was the perfect economic opportunity for enslavers. Many African women knew how to farm the rice, cultivate it, and continue its growth for mass production. Many Maroons, or free African settlements, especially in Suriname and French Guiana, would escape Dutch plantations and continue to grow rice. This very simple process would take place by pushing one's hair to the side and then placing rice on the scalp. Once on the scalp, the rice would be braided and intertwined into two sections of smaller hair. This would make the rice invisible to anyone curious of smuggling activities. Africans were the ones who cultivated, grew, and helped develop wealthy plantation economy in the US, Central, and South America. African women in the South of the United States, in such states as North Carolina, South Carolina, and Georgia, would sow the rice seeds, hoe them, weed them, and thresh them. They also removed the husk from the rice, manually milling it so the rice could be eaten. The Carolina coastlines and wetlands were the perfect condition for farming rice. Just remember, the next time you eat rice, it could be rice that was planted, raised, tended to, and made to eat by an African ancestor for the world to consume. So yo guys, today we learned about Africans and why Black women put rice seeds in their hair. Please like and subscribe. Add me on all social medias, which is Afric Network, which is Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat, Facebook, and TikTok. Each one teach one. Always love each other. Always learn from each other. And yo guys, until next time, keep braiding your hair. Peace. One love.